Assalamu alaikum, beautiful people. Welcome to another vlog. आज ना vlog थोड़ा sad भी है because what's happened in Turkey, the earthquake. काफ़ी बुरा आया उठा जरा. So many lives have been affected. So many people have passed away, and there's so many people still stuck there, and very hard to get them out. Allah Ta'ala better kare. I hope people can still make it out alive. Oh, it's been few days now and very very hard. Oh, sad times. Allah Ta'ala ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਅਫੈਕਟ ਹੋਏ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕੀ ਹਿੰਮਤ ਹੈ to get over it, and पूरी दुनिया च बंदे उन्होंने मदद करने लगे हुए. अल्लाह ताला उन्हों तक मदद पूरी पहुँचाया और उन्होंने मदद करने ने हर बंदे की तौफीक और हिम्मत है. अज असा ने रोशडेल चों यंग खादिम्स वो भी चंदा इकट्ठा करने लगे हुए. दे doing some fundraising. They're out there in this cold weather on Milkston Road, Tweedale Street. They're everywhere on them deeply area with the street and the big in it. They getting people to donate towards the Turkey earthquakes. Allah Ta'ala इन्हें की हिम्मत है और पूरा उठा पैसा पहुँची जाए इंशाल्लाह. और जिथे जिथे people are struggling, Allah Ta'ala उठा उन्हें की पैसे पहुँचाने ने हिम्मत और तौफीक दे. ठीक है जी, उन चलने हैं तो कि उठा दसने हैं जुलीता what they're doing on Milkston Road. Charity event. Right, this is the young Khadims, mashallah. Day ending now. They've done a great job, fantastic job, boys. So how was it then, boys?
Alhamdulillah, I'd say it's really successful. It's our first day, our first charity event, and mashallah, we got all the youngsters out. There are a good 20-15 of them. And they're all out here, they've come out in forces, they've sacrificed their time, they've sacrificed their effort, they've sacrificed a lot of things just to come out and fundraise for Turkey and Syria. So alhamdulillah, proud of all of them.
No littering.
And how was the turnout? You know, what do you think? How much you made for the people in Syria and Turkey?
Turnout, it's only our first day. We're here tomorrow again, but I'd probably say about a good £2,000-3,000 we've already fundraised already. And we had to send one bucket within 2 hours back to count it, but the turnout was really good. The people of the place, mashallah, they're really supportive.
So where's the counting going to take place?
Counting is going to take place in Hunia Masjid afterwards, after we got all the money tomorrow. But we'll let you know once we've counted it how much we raised altogether.
Yeah. We need to let the people know that how much you
raised exactly and where it's going to, and definitely 100%. That's our aim, inshallah. But alhamdulillah, we've got a good amount of volunteers, as you can see behind me. That's what it's about. You know, once you got the help, it makes life easier. And mashallah, all these brothers have been a good help.
Mashallah, they've done an excellent job. These young lads from Rochdale, young Khadims. Allah Ta'ala इन्ना की हिम्मत दे, तौफीक दे, बहुत चंगा काम किया ने. तो कोई और youngsters बाहर होने स्ट्रीटां फिरने दे.
Ballers baby. Ballers baby.
और उन्हें बाहर स्ट्रीटां फिरने तो इन्ना तो को था अपना टाइम कड़ी आनी चाहिए चंदा इकट्ठा किया ने for the poor people. स्ट्रीटां सारियां खाई उड़ियां ने. Tomorrow there's going to be another charity going on. Sparth Bottoms, Gosia Masjid. They're going to be doing a car wash there. There'll be some young lads doing their bit there. So these young lads have done an excellent job here today. इनकी चेहरे तकी की नौपशानी की नो माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा काम करने लगे हुए हैं. और जुनैद साहब
जी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ठीक है.
कैसा दिन रहा?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बहुत अच्छा और स्वाब का काम है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह.
अच्छा, सिर्फ इधर मिक्सर रोड पर ही खड़े रहे कि कहीं और
नहीं आगे पीछे भी हुए ट्विटर सिटी पे गए हैं और अभी इंशाल्लाह सोच रहे थे कि आस्था वगैरह में जाए इंशाल्लाह.
अच्छा अच्छा
जी इंशाल्लाह सुबह भी कल
अच्छा
जी सुबह इंशाल्लाह कल भी करेंगे, आएंगे चैरिटी के लिए.
वाह माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह. तो लोगों ने कैसे तावन किया?
जी माशाल्लाह बहुत मदद की उन्होंने माशाल्लाह और इंशाल्लाह से करेंगे बहुत सवाब है इनमें
सही बात है ये हमारे साथ भी हो सकता है ये किसी के साथ भी हो
बिल्कुल
सकता
ऐसे ही
है
है
तो आज हम किसी की मदद करेंगे तो कल हमारी मदद कौन
बिल्कुल
करेगा
ऐसे ही है
We got another young Khadim here.
Assalamualaikum.
So how was it then?
Alhamdulillah, all good. We raised a very much amount and we did good.
Mashallah. How was it? People reacting to it. How were they doing a good job?
They're doing a very good job, yeah.
Mashallah.
Very good job.
Chalo, udhar chalo.
All for youth. Zindabad. Young Khadim. Zindabad. Al Khidma. Zindabad. One nation. Zindabad. Rochdale to Syria.
Have you seen the young Khadims? All day they've been outside here, still they're pumped up, mashallah.
Zindabad. Listen, the young players. The young Cardiff. Young Cardiff. Boys, speak. Rochdale to Rajdhani, Zindabad. Players, best milkshakes in Rochdale. Young Khadims.
The young players.
The young Khadim.
Zindabad. Rochdale to Rajdhani. Zindabad.
Who's this guy? Walaikum salam. What are you hiding for? Say some few words, man.
Mashallah, it's amazing to see what Jamal has got here today to fundraise for people in Turkey and Syria. As we all know what's happened over there, and for these young lads to come out on a very cold day to raise money is amazing, as you can see. And this is going to happen again tomorrow, inshallah, and it's planning to happen every weekend until the end of the Ramadan. So may Allah bless the whole team. Tomorrow in the same place on Milkston Road, inshallah. So yes, we've got our family fun day on the 25th where Mr. T is coming as well. So all the young people will be there as well, inshallah. That's in the Wardle Community Centre. Yeah, inshallah. Jazakallah. Big up, Rochdale to Rajdhani, inshallah.
Nice one. Thank you very much. Thank you. Jazakallah, brother. I think we'll be wrapping up here now. These lads have done a really good hard work there. आज इथे ख़त्म करने हैं अल्लाह ताला इन्ना की और हिम्मत और तौफीक दे ठीक है जी Another young Khadim here he's from Scotland and सुना ना गया जी
Sulaiman.
सुलेमान पूरा नाम दसो ना
Sulaiman Mahmood.
सुलेमान महमूद अच्छा तुसा मुनव्वर ने क्या लगने हो
He's my uncle. I'm his nephew.
मामू अच्छा माशाल्लाह what have we done today then
Today we raised money for Turkey and Syria.
how do you think it went
It went better than we thought it would. It went amazing. Mashallah, people stopped for us.
very good mashallah were you on just Mixon Road or were you walking about to
We
in
went
between
Mixton
as well?
Road and then we walked about a bit to find other places, but mainly up there on Mixton Road.
Very good. It's very cold as well. Like my hands are shaking now. So I'll give it to you guys for doing all that all through the day. Mashallah, for about 5 hours. You did an excellent job, guys. May Allah Ta'ala reward you for that. And thank you very much.
Thank you.
ठीक है आइए था ना वीडियो इतना ख़त्म करने अल्लाह